Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse, and this is a painting that I did yesterday. And as I said in yesterday's video, I'm going to do a little bit of an embellishment, so that you guys can see me do some embellishing, and just want to play with it really, and I wanted to share my play with you. So I'm just gonna play and I'll probably over chat later. So okay, so basically I started out just doing the green leaves, just adding some more leaves in, the really just an indication, an indicator, an inviter to a different possibility really. And then I wanted to leave the branch black because it is like a night scene, and I really just wanted it to be the light of the fairy that was brightening the sides of the branches that were pointing towards her. So I went over first off with some burnt sienna, and then with some copper, and then just touched up some real edges with some of the gold. So just really little bits, added in kind of indications of feet and hands, and just tidied up a little bit, giving a little bit of definition, a little bit more oomph to some of the corners of the edges and things. Then I put a little face on. I couldn't get a mouth right. Mouths have never been a strong point of mine, but I wanted it to be a smiley, happy fairy. Smiley, happy fairy people. Smiley, happy. And I don't know, it didn't quite work. So I went off and did something else, played around a bit, put a bit of bling onto the, I'm not sure whether that's a flower or she's lighting the end of the stick or what she's quite doing there. I haven't decided. I think I'll leave that to people's imaginations. And then I noticed that there was this little flower thing around her neck, so I put a gold necklace, like a little droplet necklace, leading up to her throat. Alright, so my little touch-ups have dried, and she's dancing on her branch. How does it get any better than that? I just like her. She's super cute. So yes, this is a very quick video, but I have enjoyed bringing her to life. And how does it get any better than this? I've been asking for awareness of what else is possible and how to add more little bits. I see a lot of you in the Acrylic Pouring for Fun group sharing how you've embellished your paintings, bought out funky things like elephants and stuff, and I'm like, I never see those things in mine. And then I realized, I never see those things in mine a request? You know, that whole ask and you shall receive? So I changed it, and I started asking, what would it take for me to start seeing things that I can bring out and invite a different possibility with? And guess who showed up? Ta-da! My little fairy. How did I get so lucky? So I like her a lot. And how much more fun can we add to our paintings? What embellishments can you add? And guess what's happening tomorrow? My first string pour. It's dry, so you'll get to see it tomorrow. So thank you all for watching. I adore you, and come join us in the Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group. The May challenge is string and chain pulls. So what magic can you create with those? And what else is possible, guys, that we haven't yet imagined? What else can we choose, create, that would just add more spark, more vibrancy, more life and living to our worlds? I adore you all. Have fun, and I will see you super soon. Bye-bye.